Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to pass thread into this weaving machine. They call it weaving, some people call it whipping. I don't know why they call it whipping, but it's called weaving machine. And this machine is using 3 thread, 1 2 3. I'm going to put another thread here, making 3. So we have the tension that the machine is going to pass through. We have the 3 tensions. It's using 3 thread. We have ones that use 4 thread too, but this is using 3 thread. So we are going to pass 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. You see, all the parts of this machine are very, very important. None of the parts is not important. And most people find the passing of this machine very difficult, but I will tell you it's very easy. It's very easy. We have the overlocking machine too. That one is for inner, but these do the bolts. Yes, this machine do the bolts, and it's called booty fly. We have Jukai, we have Bryce, we have 2 Lion. And for now, this is 2020. This machine costs 100 plus here. So I want to show you how to pass this machine. You see, there's a side at my own machine where you can just lose this button. You lose this button, you can adjust the stitches of the machine down. When you put it down like this, it becomes overlocking machine. When you draw it down, it becomes overlocking machine this way. But if you want to make it a tiny stitch, you raise it up, then you tighten it back. Do you see it? So now I want to show you how to put a thread and pass it. I would like to tell you that there is no part of this machine that is not important. No side here that is not. We can see the first hole here where you're going to pass it through. There's another one here going this way down. It goes here down, 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 down. When you move the machine, also you see that some are even moving inside. There are some movable instruments moving inside too. They are moving inward. You can see the teeth also. So let's get started and let's pass the machine, the thread. You can see it has a needle too. You can see the needle, and for the needle side there's a screw, little screw here, that if you want to lose the needle, you see that screw side, you have to use the needle tightener to tighten that screw. It's very small, as small as this needle, as this nut is. If it fall down, for you to see it, it's somehow difficult. So you have to be careful when losing the needle holder here, the screw. And if it fall down, if you want to buy it, I don't know, you can get it 300 for one, just for one. Yes, it's costly, so you have to be very careful when losing it. If you want to lose it, don't lose it too much. So I'll be showing you all this. I'll be showing you, this is where we put the oil. See, it is always important you put oil here, because if oil doesn't circulate to all the parts of the machine, you find it difficult that the machine is giving you support. But whenever there is oil working through the machine, you move the machine will surely move perfectly. Yes, very perfectly. So let's get down to how. There's another place here that you put oil. You can see this is oil, and when you even mash the machine, if it starts working now, you see that there is oil here too moving. Yes, so the important engine of this machine is working inside. So you don't let anybody to just come to your machine and start turning this tension. You know, even our normal machine, if people are turning the tension, things will start happening to the machine. So you don't allow children to play with your machine, and please take care of your machine very well. It is money and it's costly. So, okay, this is the wheel of the machine where it moves. You can see when I'm moving it without even owning it, it's moving. All right, so let's get back to business. Yes, so this is what you use to lose the nuts. You can see it's like screwdriver. Can you see? So this thing also costs like 300, 500, depends on your area. So you can get this too. This is what they call picker. You can see you use this to pick the thread in. This is tinko thread, this is normal thread. You can use polyester here and use a cotton thread at the other side too. So you put this in this way, and always notice your thread. Always notice your thread when passing through the machine. So you can see the thread now. This is the 3 thread. This is the 3 thread. This is it. We've passed it through this hole, these 3 holes now. From here now, you take it down here. You take it here. From that place, you take your picker. You can simply use your hand too, but you pass it through here. Are you seeing it? Then you pass it through the tension. See where I'm putting it into this, the tension. Then there's another hole under the tension. You pass it through the hole of the tension. You take your picker and you pass it through the hole of the tension. After, there's another hole here. This is the next hole. You pass it through here. You remove it out. After, you pass it through here. You remove it out. After this, you see another one. If you look at this holes, you see that there's one. There's the first one and the second one. This is the first one. This is the other one. So let's look at this. And most machines, they normally have color. I think this one is the green, while this one is the orange, and the other one is the yellow. But if yours doesn't have a color, this is the first one, the second one. So you move that way. So let's use this. This is the first. For the first side, the last one, you move it here to the other side. You move it here. Notice those holes so that you won't do mistake. After, you move it to the other side. At this place, at this point, there's 2 holes here. You take it to this hole. You remove it out. You take it again to this next hole. This hole. You remove it out also. So if you move your machine, are you seeing there's another hole here? Please notice all these things I'm saying. There's another hole here. You take it. You take it into that same hole. Then you remove it out. You now move your machine this way. You move your machine. You can see there's something coming in here. So from here, you take your picker in. You draw that thread out. You see? You draw the thread out. You put it in here from the back side, not from the front, from the back side. From the back side. You put it in. You move it again. You move it to the front side. You can see I've moved the wheel of the machine. You move it to the front side. You try to pick it out again. You can see the reason why they call this picker. You are using it to pick the thread. That's all. We are through with the first one, which is the third one. We are starting from the third one because the needle one is the most easiest one. So you take this one again. You pass it through this hole to this next hole here. There's an hole here. After, you pass it through this tension. You can see the way I move it. After, you pass it through the hole again. There's another hole here, like the first one we did. So after, you pass it through this hole, another hole here. You pass it through the hole. Sorry. You see, after you pass it through here, so after from that place you pass it through here. This is this one O, the middle O for this. Let's remove this thread so that it won't confuse us. Let's remove this first thread out. We've removed it out. And it won't confuse us. So you take it to this middle O here. All from middle. You can see when you look at this place. Are you seeing it? There's another hole here. You take it in. You take it in. You take it in. From here you pick it out. Okay, before then, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Before then, you put it, you know I told you there's a 2O here. You put it at this first one here, not this one, the first one here. You put it in here. You put it in here, you bring it out. So, from here, you pick it inward this way. If you look at this place, you see that there's another O inside. After this O, there's another O inward here. Hope you are seeing it. After this, there's another one inward here. So we are going to put the thread inward also. So you take it in, then you pick it out. Hope you are getting it. It's very easy. So from here, you put it in, you take it out. Then you also move your machine too. Then, are you seeing it? That's all about the second one, the middle one. I told you it's easy. It's very easy to do. Just watch and watch over the video. So this is the last one. This is the needle one. Then you take this now. You can put it here, you can put it here. You can see it has 4 O's here. You can put it anywhere you like. So let's just put it here. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Then you take it inward here. Then you take it round the tension. Hope you're seeing it. Then you raise this up. You put it inward here. I told you all the holes here are important. They are what? They are much important. So you just take it on top of this. Then take this inward. Then you bring it out. Then you take your tension. Don't worry, your first time of doing it might look stressful, but when you continue doing it, it will look fast. So you now take it, there's a tension at the needle holder too, then you move it in. You can see how easy it is. It's very easy. The needle one is the most easiest among all. So you just take it, see? Make sure the mouth of your thread is very smooth. Then just take it in. That's all. That is all. Another thing I want to tell you is that always make sure that this, let's close the machine. If you want to open this machine, this is the way you open it. If you want to open it, there's something here. Just press this. There's something here. Let me show you what is here. There's something you can press. They will write push. Push. You can see push. Hope you are seeing that push. Just press it down. Ping. Then it will open. Don't let anybody force your machine to open. Just click on that push. Then it will open. Then you close it back. And when you want to cover this place, I beg you. My machine engineer told me that this thing is very costly. So make sure you raise this up. Then put this in. Make sure it sets in. If it doesn't set in very well and you are working, it can spoil something there. And that thing, they said it cost much. Then he said it cost 3K. But I don't know. You can see. It fits in. These two, you just close it. Bam. You can see if you want to open this, just push it in. You've opened it. Close it. Push it in. Then open. Make sure there's oil here and there's oil at the other side. So I'm going to start this machine now. This, if you want to open this, you see there's something designed here. It has peel up. Okay, so you can see, you can open, close. Make sure people don't joke with your tension. Note that, please. The tension is the most important thing of the machine. So I'm going to on this machine to make a trial of what. So now we are ready to test run the machine. See, my shop is very close. See, you see on and off. You see off. You see on when you want to on it. And don't use your machine with a low light. It can spoil the motor. So you just on it when you want to start using it. Then place your clothes. Don't let your clothes to be too much. See, there's a foot here. See? You match the foot up. This is the one they used to lift my own machine up. You lift it up. This is for moving. This is for lifting. This is for moving. So let's get started with the moving. So you place your clothes. Just raise the foot. Then you place your clothes. Make sure the clothes going in is not that much. Just inch. A little. Like quarter inch. Can see? And make sure your hand is not that close to the needle. This thing can spoil somebody's hand. You have to be very, very careful. You know, I told you it can do both weaving, inner weaving and outside. So, and again, if you are using your machine and you discover it's weaving somehow, another thing is that it depends on the kind of material you are using to weave it. It depends. You can see this one is a lycra material. It's giving it some scallopings. You can see it. So let me check whether, yes, is at number 5, the tiny stitch, but it's because of the material that is doing that way. It's okay. Let's continue. You can see. Are you seeing it? Always clean your machine. Always clean your machine. If it is not well set, it won't weave at all. Even if it's weave, it will just be giving you funny ruffles. You can see there's a blade here cutting that thing off. Cutting that quarter inch. So our thread has removed, but let me just stop the video here. You can see the way we weave our clothes. You can see the weaving. You can see the front and back. Always notice your thread too, so that it won't finish before you notice that it has finished. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my video. I really appreciate your comments and subscription. Thank you very much. Thanks for viewing. Thanks. Bye. Have a lovely day.